Alright, what's up guys? So today's a very exciting video. Today I get to show you guys that I got something that I've been looking for a long time, something that I've wanted for a long time. Didn't think that I would actually be able to get one in this capacity, but a really good deal fell into my lap that I really just couldn't pass up. So I present to you my new 2019 F250 Platinum. Alright, so this is my new to me, 2019 F250 Platinum. I've got the 6.7 liter Powerstroke, which is way fun.
Too much fun.
Yep. So it's got a 6-inch rough country kit, lift kit with 37-inch tires.
Yeah, look at that massive coil spring.
Yeah. Yep, so this is a Platinum, so it's fully loaded.
But it's basically the same as a Limited, right?
Yeah, so the only thing different between this one and the Limited is the black leather seats. So basically every available option from Ford is on this truck.
It really does have basically everything. These seats will massage your ass.
There's so many buttons I have yet to press.
Ooh.
And then in the back seats are actually heated, which is crazy.
That's crazy.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
There's like 110 outlets all over the place.
Yep.
I think is that built in is that USB ports?
Let's see.
Yep.
USB there.
110 there.
110 there. God, so convenient. I wish mine had that.
So convenient.
That's nice.
Yep.
These Justin's new skateboards.
Yep. And then I got all the under seat storage. You can see for all my.
If you guys ever knew Justin's
stuff.
old truck, it just used to be covered in boxes.
Just boxes of catalogs and samples and whatnot. So having the under seat storage is very nice, even though I do think I'm still going to add like a toolbox to go under the bed cover.
Yep.
So this has this nice roll and lock bed cover. I don't know if anyone's familiar with it. Supposedly it's a really nice bed cover. So far I like it a lot. It's retractable, but it's not electronic. So far it's kept everything nice and dry. So this is the bed.
It's a tad dark in here.
Let's see if I can get this to... Close enough.
Yeah, at least gives us a little bit more.
Yeah, so it's a 6 3/4 foot bed. It's not the long bed. As you can see, I already have work stuff in here, but plenty of room. It's honestly massive. And then you got the little tailgate step. Oops.
He says it's fully loaded. It's got everything.
Yeah, it's honestly crazy. Like the deal. So I bought it from my boss, and he just wanted to get out of it because he was having trouble getting in with the lift on it. So he gave me some ridiculous price on it, and I can't thank him enough for it.
Still learning how to do things.
Yeah.
There's so many things to do.
Yeah, so I mean, she's not perfect. So there's just a small like little parking lot incident. It did leave a little dent in the bumper right here, and I think there's a crack in this headlight, which sucks because these things apparently are ridiculously
insane
expensive
to replace with the Ford OE.
I just had like a bunch of service work done, and Ford said that over the counter is $1,800 for one of these. Trying to figure something else out because you can't spend $1,800 on a headlight.
Nope.
But yeah,
it's got so many cameras everywhere. Camera there, camera in each side mirror, camera in the rear view mirror,
camera in the bed.
Camera in the bed. Then of course they can hook up for a trailer camera too.
Yeah, yeah. So it's got the full 4x4 off-road package. Yeah, I mean it's everything I could have ever wanted.
Yep.
And I'm glad I held off.
Yeah, because Justin had been looking for trucks back in December and was considering the generation before. Now it's still a 6.7, but the body style that came before it.
Yeah.
But eventually, I think you just replace the stereo in the Titan.
Yeah,
at least to hold it over.
Titan for a while, so I put like a nice Apple CarPlay. But I've been working on my boss. Like every single time I saw him, I was like, "When are you selling me that truck? When are you selling me that truck?" So finally, he was like, "Hey, you know, I'm ready to get out of the truck. I'll give you a good deal on it." And I was like, "You let me know."
Sold.
You let me know. So, but yeah, it's. I mean, I can't be more thankful. I mean, it's. You know, it's basically my dream truck, and I could have never afforded it without him giving me a good deal.
Especially with all the mods on it too. I mean, to already have the 6-inch lift, and this stuff was all done at the dealer when he bought it.
Yeah.
So the new wheels and bigger tires, which he had bigger tires on it before, you were telling me, right?
Had, so these are 12-inch wide 37s. He had 17-inch wide 37s. That's why the this front valence is trimmed, because the bigger tires are too wide to clear. So
it's actually a pretty clean cut.
Yeah, it's not bad. You can't even tell.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she's awesome.
Yeah,
so much fun to drive.
A beautiful, beautiful truck. This is one of those rare examples where Justin's gonna buy instead of build, but
yeah,
it was worth it.
It was worth it
because you can never buy it and build it for that price.
No,
so
never ever, ever. And you know that it just kind of worked out. Like my interest rate was ridiculously good, and yeah, it just kind of worked out. So it's been awesome. I've had it for about a week now. I've already put almost 1,000 miles on it. I drive a lot for
nature work, but
it's the most comfortable 1,000 miles I've ever driven. So
I mean, honestly, it really, for being such a big truck, it's really not hard to drive. You let me drive it. You feel comfortable in the lanes. It's not like you're driving a dually.
And even with the 37-inch tires on it, she'll get up and go.
Oh yeah, jeez. So. I mean, and once she's going, you catch her in boost, it's a freight train, man.
Yeah.
I mean, I've got the 3.5 EcoBoost in my F-150, but I mean, in a lot of ways, they're comparable. They just feel very different.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, she is a beaut.
Yeah, so I mean, as far as like things that I'm gonna do, I mean, I'll probably figure out the headlight situation. I gotta see if I can find one for cheaper, because I can't spend $1,800 on it.
I don't know who can. I guess if you buy this truck, you can maybe afford it, but
I guess. But you know, I'll put the toolbox in the back. You know, just keep it nice and clean. I did get an extended warranty through the bank, so I'm not really gonna do anything to the engine, at least until that's up. But it's only got 79,000 miles on it, so you know, it's still got a ton of life left. So this thing's just barely getting broken in.
Yeah, this could be your 1,000,000-mile diesel.
Yeah. I mean, I do plan on keeping it for a very long time.
I mean, somebody just got a 6.7 up to 1,000,000 miles, didn't they?
Oh, I don't know. I didn't hear about that.
It's a 2015.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but it did require a little bit of work.
Well, yeah, of course. I
think it went through like 4 turbos, a couple transmissions and stuff.
Turbo wouldn't be that bad.
The engine itself still running, so it's just all the extra stuff.
Yep. Yeah, she's awesome. I've been having way too much fun driving her around.
Yep. Yeah, Justin's been driving everywhere.
Yeah, I have. I really have. So.
F-Series gang.
Yep.
Rolling deep.
Rolling deep, for sure.
There's a bunch of us that just recently got into newer F-Series trucks. Basically, one person bought one and it just started the catalyst of everybody.
For the record, I was looking for a long time.
It's true. Yeah, Jesse got an F-150 and I became a truck guy after he got one.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, because that F-150 is just stupid fast.
Yeah.
It has no business being that fast.
No. This has business being that fast.
Well, yeah. It's fun.
It's got to pull stuff.
It does.
Hopefully pull stuff very soon.
Yeah, we got to get the Celica to the shop.
Yep. And then I'll take the Celica to a racetrack.
Yep.
Can't wait to see.
But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm basically in love.
Yep.
Can't stop talking about it. She needs some work, but
she doesn't need much. She needs a bath again, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Justin had put in the he did the investment.
So last weekend I went and got her fully detailed, because I got her a little bit dirty, which no big deal. So I had the interior all cleaned, I had the body washed, waxed, and clay barred, and then like 3 hours after I picked it up, it poured, and then it poured all day the next day, and these tires just kick everything up, so it's already a mess. But
interior is still nice and clean though. So yeah, we probably just got to get in the habit of at least just washing the sides and the hood, even if you don't get the roof every single time.
Yeah,
the sides aren't so bad.
But the roof is all glass.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So
all right, so we'll Windex the roof.
Yeah. But I've definitely had to get used to parking it, but it's really not that bad to drive. It's just so much longer than my Titan was.
Yep.
So
it is awesome. So you'll be seeing a lot more of it in all of our videos. At least in the background, if not being the main focus.
Yep.
So finally got a vehicle that is the equivalent of Justin.
I know, it's actually taller than me.
This is a rare moment. Something's taller than Justin. Come a long way from his EK Civic.
Yeah, right. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. You gonna do some rolling shots?
Yeah. She's a beaut.
Yeah. Oh. All right. I guess that's pretty much it. So yeah, look forward to seeing a lot more of her on here. Actually, you'll probably still see a little bit of the Titan too, because I think my dad's gonna end up buying it, and I still got the leveling kit to put on it and brakes to put on it for him and whatnot. So yeah, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.